Hello everybody, I hope all of you are doing well. So looking at the title, you must have understood what we'll be discussing today. So we basically brought this out because when we look around us, there is a lot of chaos and students are getting very demotivated. So a planner is a wonderful way to bring us back on track, to make us more organized because we really need that right now. And if we just take these simple steps and try it for a period of time, you will visibly see that you are improving. You will feel more motivated, you will feel more confident about what you have done. So all of these are wonderful things, so we should definitely try it. So first off, a planner is something that you can buy from the market. You can go to any stationery and get it. But I think you don't need to buy it. You can make it yourself. You can just take any notebook and basically write down the days of the week and have a separate section for your monthly targets. So when I say monthly targets, I mean any sort of test that you're trying to prepare for. It might be a test in school, it might be a test at an academy, it might be a test that you want to give yourself. So you should write those down separately that you are aiming towards doing, you're trying to evaluate yourself in that way. That should be written separately. Monthly and weekly, everything else should be written day to day. So Monday to Sunday, what are your plans? If you plan on Monday, you are trying to do half a chapter or you're trying to do one chapter. So write down the name of that chapter and aim to do what you are planning. If you don't succeed, that is secondary, right? But you have to have the intention to try. Not all plans succeed, but even though we plan, we will at least achieve a part of it. So we should always aim to do that. And this is how a template of your planner can look like. So you have your days all the way to Sunday, and you can fill in different things. It might not be one thing you're planning. You might be planning one chapter or a chapter of a different subject, or you might be solving exercise questions. So you should write down in as great detail as possible, and once you have finished that, once you have completed that task, you have the reward in front of you. You can just tick it off that I have done what I had planned. And that feeling is very motivating. And we all need to feel motivated right now. Everything around us is not giving us that feeling. So this will help us to get back on track, to make us more organized. So definitely try it just for a month. If you see, try to do it, you'll feel more confident, you'll feel like you are getting things done, things are in motion. Otherwise, if it's all in your head, you don't really know what is going on. So once you have it on paper, you know that yes, I have done this in the past month and I am on track to doing better. And if you don't complete what you have planned for that day, you have only been able to complete 80%, 90%, whatever, always get up the next morning and know that it is a fresh start, it is a new day, it will be a wonderful day, and you can try all over again, learning from the mistakes that you made the day before. So that is just a way in which you will keep on improving, and this year will go wonderfully for you, where you can really take the best of what you have. And we all wish you the very best, and you should definitely try this out. So take care, guys.